Hello, Sneak Shark. Can I answer a buy request, please? Well, I will be your friend. I'll be your friend. Who? Also, this is part 2 of Animal Jam at 3 a.m. And, I can't frickin' be his friend. Let me be his friend! Okay, let's just try to make a good impression. I look ugly as hell. Oh, I have to be a member to do that, you frickin' retards. It's okay if you don't tell me. I just want to be your friend. So, hi. And friends? I am the worst. So, hi. Hit me up? What the? I swear, if you leave, I will murder you. Bow down to me. Hello? Okay. I'm just gonna go leave. That's pretty douchey. Whatever. Oh, you're cute. I want to be your buddy. So, ooh, I'll be your friend. I wanted to be your friend anyways. What can we do? So, what can we do? I'm one of those socially awkward people who, try to start a conversation, but cannot. Nothing creepy is happening. Okay, now, Jammer. I'm just gonna go to my buddy's den. Oh, she's still online. I'll go to her den and tell her I want to see creepy crap today. Oh, yay. Nice. Cute. Cute den. Cute den. Okay, I'm just socially awkward. Thanks. You're well. Okay. Do you want Oh, there's someone at my den. I swear, if that's the blackout koala everyone's talking about, who the frick is in my den? Who is in here? Oh yeah, I drew this because I was bored one day. Who's in my den? Hello? Hello? I think they could be hiding. Hello? I'm scared. Who is in my den? Well, my sister's actually. Who's in here? Who is in my den? Who is in my den? Tell me! Where are you? Also, I drew this a while ago and it's so bad. Now I hate it. Hate it. Can't like it. This was my sister's and she actually did a better job than I would ever do. Okay, I'm just gonna leave because I do not want. Was he following me? I think that could be Bunny Fox. Yeah. So here's my old account. Actually, I have a bit of a creepy story to tell. Oh, it became 4 a.m. We survived! Hi, Summer. This was my little thing I used to do. Come to my den? Hell no. XD. Yay, I could be alone. Oh yeah, I had a bit of a stalker. Well, I don't know what you could call him. This was one of my old drawings and I hate it. It's so bad. Like, it's just so bad. Hi. No, get away from me, demon. Why did I ever think this was good? You could actually just go on my DeviantArt. Summer FU DeviantArt. And you could see actual Google images. So, also made a Tamagotchi death drawing. And again. We're having some technical difficulties, but bye. Have a good life.